So I put some of the rat poison in, like a week ago. I thought it wasn't working. Well, I don't know if it's working, but at least they ate it. So I read in the comments somewhere that it's not good because maybe the dogs eat the mice, and then we have a problem. So I wanted to remove it, but apparently they ate it already. I must say I have not been hearing much mouse activity since we cleaned the other cabinet, so I don't know. A lot of people say that once you have them that they don't go very easily. So I'm not counting on them being gone, actually. Look, there's dog food everywhere. But they're not getting it from here. So where are they getting the dog food from? What you doing? Yeah, the tree needs some water. It's a peach tree, and we cut it like 2 years ago. It's coming back up now, but on the leaves from the former tree, it didn't look as if the tree was healthy. And now they only look dried out. But they had like sort of like a mutation, like transformation of the leaves. But this one looks okay now, so maybe we should eventually plant it somewhere else, near the garden. See if it wants to give peaches. Oh, sweet. Good weather, huh? Two more to go. If there are still any mice, then they should be in here. I'd rather have they go that way now. Yeah. Not much we can do about that, I think. The other cabinets that are here, like where the coffee machine is and where you're standing on, they're all like closed off, so that's also where all the food is. So they can't get to any food, except the dog food. Yes, Zoe, they ate some of your dog food. Can you believe it? Maybe a snacky. Snacky? We're almost out of snackies. Sienta. Olha aqui, dá. Ah! Duas farinas. Senta, por favor. Boa. Senta. Put your ass on the floor. Boa. Boa. Bon appetit. Yeah, so let's see then. Let's wait till Akira finishes eating, otherwise she'll be scared. A mouse runs by. Voila. Okay, prepare for the mouse, Akira. Oh no, you don't need to see the mouse. Because maybe it ate the rat poison. Go outside. Let's see what's behind door number 3. Nothing? Oh, there's Zoe. Best if you go outside, sweetie. I don't want you to eat any poisoned mouse. Por favor. Afuera. 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 Go outside, sweetie. No more snackies. No. One. It's nice weather and everything. Go do something else, sweetie. You're all dusty already. Maybe roll around in the garden. Hmm? Okay, let's see what's going on here. So while I'm working here, maybe it's the wind, but I hear the aluminum foil crackling. So there might still be something here. No mouse hunting, Akira. Got almost everything clean though. Still need to clean this up. Do some washing. So yeah, I'm gonna keep these cabinets empty. That one they can't get into. I'm gonna shove all this stuff in there. And then the rest they have access to, I'm just gonna leave empty and see what happens. I had hopes that they were gone, but as I'm hearing the foil over there, I think they're still here, guys. To be continued. Okay, sweetie. Boy. Boy. You gonna help? very windy today. Very nice temperature. The thermometer said like 34, but it was like maybe 28, 29. So I don't know what's up with this thing. Now it says 25. It feels about right. So I dug the trench a little bit more out, so that the pipe goes a little bit further into the ground. The slope is not that important, but we need to have it at least like 30 centimeters under the ground. So I dug it a little bit further out. Now we still need to make 2 trenches for the drains itself. It's gonna be a lot more digging. Oh wait, maybe Zoe is gonna help. I'm getting into the trench. Inspector Zoe. I have a feeling some trees are gonna fall in the next couple of days. They're all very dried out and cracking.